Welcome to Meliora's channel, your go-to place for C# and data analysis tutorials, products hands-on demos, and insider secrets to keep you at the cutting edge of innovation. Our goal is to break down complex tech topics to a level that you will easily understand to supercharge your skills. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Hello, you're welcome back to Meliora's channel. In today's video, we're going to look at the append function of our string manipulation video series. So today, let's jump into the Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition and open up our string manipulation app project, which we are using to showcase these examples or demos. So, and you can see the string append has nothing here. And what we tend to do is to then showcase how the append function is used within is used to manipulate strings. So, as you know, it is the append function is a method of the string builder. So to instantiate that class, we have to say string builder, then maybe SB equals new string builder. And then with that, we have the SB object now. So to build the string, we are going to build the full name from the first name and last name. The first name is entered in tbox fname.text, and then the last name is entered in tbox lname.text. So to build it, we first will say sb dot append, and then we will put tbox, then fname.text. And that's the first one. So the next thing, having appended the first name to that string builder object, then we now need to append a space, because we want that after the first name you have space before you then have the last name. So we just append a space here, and then so it's now first name and a space. Then we then append the last name, which will be the last name. So append tbox last name dot text. So we append this, and then we now have the full name available in the form of tbox, in the form of first name space last name. So we then have to assign this string that we have built, which is actually full name, into the tbox full name control element. So we assign it to this dot text, and then we just say SB. And because this SB is an object, we need to convert it to string using this toString functions. So this is the toString that we've been talking about actually. So because this is not a string directly, even though it has a string inside it, it has a string text, the information in there is string information. So, but because it's an object, so you now need to apply this toString to convert it to string. So once it's converted to string, you can now save it in a string variable, which is essentially this control element, in the string control element, which is this tbox full name.text. So with this now, the only thing is else you need to do is probably because of the result area. So let's put that result, the full name, in the result area, but let's do something to it, which is so that it displays something different from what is displayed in the full name. And that is to say, probably let's convert all this to upper, to upper, so that everything in the result area, which is the tbox result.text, will actually be written to uppercase, or will be written in uppercase characters. So, so this should be it. If you save this and run it, so if you say append, because we have Bernard Eze here, what is going to happen is that using the append function, it will build it through 3 steps to have Bernard space Eze here. And then at the same time, using the toUpper method, converts everything to uppercase and write that information here. So if you click this, what I expect, yeah, that's it. So this is it, and this is written in uppercase. So this brings us to the end of this particular video, and I thank you so much for watching. We ask seriously, strongly, that you help us by, or you encourage us by actually subscribing. If you've not already subscribed, if you've subscribed, so make sure you also hit the notification button so that when new videos are published, you get notified about them. But in the meantime, we are going to publish our very last video in string manipulation, and that will include the toString and then the any. The any is a very powerful string manipulation function that you cannot afford to miss. So I ask you to just make out time and make sure that you look out for that video. And more importantly, subscribe so that we can notify you as soon as the video is published. Thank you for listening. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, and if you learned something new or enjoyed this video, be sure to show us support by clicking like and subscribe. Your support helps us to bring you even better content, so stay tuned for the next exciting video. You can also click the link below to see other free and paid videos on other exciting topics. If the click did not work, kindly copy the link and paste on your browser. Thank you, and see you in the next video.